And we're back. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Case here, bringing you guys another video. It is almost 5 o'clock and I'm just now starting my day. Stayed up way too late last night playing Car X Drift. If you guys know what that is, it's a pretty fun game. But besides that, we're gonna go ahead and head over to Aaron's house. I think Prescott's gonna be over there as well, and he's gonna fly his drone, and we're just gonna hang out. And then you guys know, probably gonna grab some food because I haven't eaten yet today. Let's just go. Let's go to Aaron's and see what we can do. Look at me.
Put the camera down.
Oh! Aaron, why's your cat always want to fight me?
Because he knows you're lying to us.
I can't, dude.
So
you're gonna fly the drone or what?
Yes.
What are you doing, Prescott?
About to connect the aircraft and take flight.
Dude, I'm telling you guys, this is the coolest cat ever. Look at this dude. Hello, comment. Hello, comment.
Say hello to my little drone.
Hopefully the audio doesn't sound bad because it's kind of windy, but we'll see. Hey, Prescott, this time are you gonna send me these videos of the drone?
Did I not send them to you last time?
Nope. Every time I say I'm gonna put drone footage in, I never receive the. Oh.
Casey, it's on site.
Dude, you know comment's about to go crazy.
We got a drone beef now.
Yo, keep it like kind of low and see what comment does.
Battery's at 40.
Comment. Oh. Dude, he's so confused.
I get the big bird.
You don't want the smoke.
You don't want smoke.
They send it over the pond. You guys can't see it on here.
Oh, look at that.
Dude, I want one so bad. Alright, Prescott, can you please send me this footage so they can see what we're talking about?
Yeah, but it's on site for them. Hope they know that.
Dude, it's way up there. Alright, I'm gonna get Prescott to send me this footage so you can actually
The difference in between all the faces you read when the grass ain't green, when you fix everything. I don't know about you, but I gotta get up, and I don't know how soon. But if we die, I wanna bring the whole Who cares about a game when it's all been replaced? Each level feels the same. It really goes either way. I don't know about you, but I gotta get up, and I don't know how soon. But if we die, I wanna bring the whole.
Dude, look at comment. That is not 98 feet. Comment, go get it. Go get it. You got chicken poop on your tail, my guy?
Bro,
He's like, yeah. Yo, look at this. He's like, yo. What's good with you? What's good with you?
So he has this new place he likes to sleep.
Why do
See
I
that?
feel like it's in the chicken coop?
Look at that rock all the way down there.
There's a rock. Like, oh yeah, I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see. Like right there.
There's a rock in between those little bushes. And he literally sleeps on it like a mountain lion.
Look at him.
He's like the Lion King.
Yeah, bro. He's like crawling around on it, like
Look, bro,
walking on
she's gonna
it,
fall.
like eating lizards and stuff.
Look, bro, Comet really just big chilling out here. He don't even care. Oh yeah. See, it takes off my finger. Yo, look.
My
guys.
hairline! Oh god! Take off! Take off!
Oh. Oh. Yo. Oh, wait. Comet. This cat will chase anything but the drone now. That's crazy. Oh, he might pounce. Never mind. You just threw a leaf on him. Yeah. Yo, guys,
He's gonna dig a hole.
he's digging the hole
He's gonna take a dump in it. Watch, he's pooping in it right now.
on Animal Planet. Yo.
He's pooping in it.
No
That's smart.
way.
Yeah, he's pooping in it, and then he's gonna.
I'm sorry it's not focusing, but bro.
He's either.
Should I go scare the crap out of him?
No, let him have his time. That's why that spot right there is dead, because his turd is so toxic.
He literally just look. All right, he's
cool.
done. Look, Prescott.
He's like.
Oh my gosh, that bro.
That's so cool, Prescott. That's really
Comet's such a cute cat. That's so funny.
Yeah, he's
though.
just covering it
He
because
literally-
he's sanitary.
Good cat.
He's more sanitary than most of us.
I didn't know he was potty trained.
He's not.
That is so funny,
Yeah,
bro.
we trained him to do this.
we trained him to poop in our front yard at one
Yep.
spot.
You're gonna dig a hole right here.
Oh, look who made it in. Hello, Ray Ray. Hello, Ray Ray. Hello, Ray Ray. Ah, bro, look at this doggo. Look at this doggo. Ray Ray's just a big Hershey's. He's a big Hershey's.
Yeah, that's right. I
Big Hershey's. Oh, Aaron thinks he's a drifter. This was the game I was talking about earlier when I made the intro, boys. I get stuck on this game
I'm actually kind of terrible.
all night. I gotta show you. I got 360 entries, Aaron. Pretty fire.
You
Fire.
think you're cool or something?
Very,
Think you're cool?
very. Look at this nerd. What is he doing? They really, like, what? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Ah. Alright, we're gonna have a TED Talk.
We're going to KFC. Gonna get some chicken sandwiches.
Alright, so basically,
Very nice.
very, very nice.
If it wasn't for your freaking massive microphone, you could sit up there.
Just hit him. I don't think he'd care.
Almost hit me for real, bro.
Dang, what would you have done? Would you have smoke? Would you had smoke?
What a god.
Bro, it'd be on site.
Wait, are we going inside? Okay, because I don't have a mask. It's in my car,
I
but
wouldn't have grabbed my mask and beanie.
Alright, guys.
Grinder profile.
it's look at that lighting right now. This is for the biker right here. The selfie lighting, Prescott. Peep it. Look at it.
I'm out here living my best life.
Here, I just turned the camera on. This man's taking a selfie back here. Because the sun is just doing the golden hour right now. Yes, sir.
Go Nile makes everybody look good.
Look who it is, guys. Chad Reed. Guys, there's something wrong with this truck in front of us. I can't figure it
I
out.
bet you'll like it, bro.
Bro, what is Chad
This one,
doing?
this one?
Yep.
Look at him, man.
Okay.
He's twerking.
I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the